Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to explain phone fast charging, the requirements, and how to enable it. Fast charging means your phone can charge much quicker than normal by using more power safely, so the battery fills up faster. To use fast charging, your phone must support it. You need a charger and a cable that I made for fast charging, and the feature must be turned on in your phone settings if there is an option for it. If the phone gets too hot or the battery is almost full, fast charging may slow down on its own to protect the battery. Now I'm going to show you how to activate fast charging in your smartphone. To enable fast charging in your phone, open Settings, scroll up or down and open Battery. Open Charging Settings and then activate fast charging. I hope this video gave you some new information. Have a good one.